Hi, my name is Silent Dad. This video will contain solutions for the exercises in the C programming language book by Kernighan and Ritchie. Exercise 2-4. Write an alternate version of squeeze S1 S2 that deletes each character in S1 that matches any character in the string S2. So the exercise mentions about squeeze. So let's copy first the squeeze function and then modify it, and then afterwards we're going to modify it to satisfy the requirement of exercise 2-4. So this squeeze function is this. Okay, so let's copy. Let's copy first. And ij 0. S I not equal to C. J plus plus is equal to S I and then Sj is equal to null character. So this is the function is squeeze. Now the difference here now for our exercise is instead of deleting a single character, any character in another string is going to be deleted. So what we're going to do is we're going to assign we'll go over we're going to go over all of the string in S2 and then compare each and every string to S1 and then delete if they are equal. So let's change this to S2, this to S1. So since we're going to go through all the characters in S2, we need another loop, so that will be the outside loop. So and let's add another variable as an array. So for k is equal to 0, S2 k is not equal to new line null character, increment k. Okay, so let's adjust. So instead of putting C here as a character, we're going to use S2k, and all the S will be S1, 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 S1. Okay, so that is basically it. So how are we going to test this? So let's create a calling function. So include stdio. Okay. So let's create a character array S1. Let's call this create a string. This Okay, so the character string character s2, well, the character that we're going to delete. Then we're going to call squeeze s1 s2. Then let's print string s1. Okay, so let's create a comment about what our function will do. delete every delete every character each character in s1 that matches any character in s2. Okay, so let's create a template, of course. So void squeeze character s1 character s2. Okay, so let's try to compile and see what will be output. So we should expect the output to not having the letters A, B, C. Okay, so let's try to compile. Okay, so let's add a new line at the end of our first string. Make it more visible. Okay, so there is no letter C, letter B, and letter A. So what if our S2 contains repeated characters? So let's say we have A, B, and C. So whatever. So even though they have repeated characters here, our output should be the same. So we have the same output. Now, how are we going to test if that is really correct? So there is a GNU core utility called TR that does the same thing. So let's go look at the man page of TR. TR translates, according to the man page, TR translate or delete characters. So in its description it says translate, squeeze, and or delete characters from standard input. So what TR actually does? It either translate or delete characters from characters that are in set 1, and then write the output in the standard output. So let's say we have an input A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we're going to feed that to TR, and we'll delete the characters B, C. Our output should be A, B, E, F, G. A, D, E, F, G. So similarly, if we're going to apply it to the text, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, with these same characters to be deleted, similar to our S2, we should get the same output. So let's clear this up. So echo a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, going to TR dot pipe it to TR. So ABC, let's see, 3 A's, 3 B's, and 2 C's. 3 A's, 3 B's, and 2 C's. So we should have the same output as our program. Let's see. We have. So based on that, we can safely assume that our code or our program is correct. So that will be all for now, and I hope you learned something.